In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect GoDaddy to Webflow. So the first thing you want to do is go to webflow.com and then enter your dashboard. And from here, once you've signed into your account, you want to basically go to all sites over here on the left. And then under your site, so for example, let's say you want to set a domain for this site over here, which is my tutorial website, you want to click on those three dots next to it and then click on settings. After you click on settings, you want to go to publishing here on the left, and this part over here, so the webflow.io domain, is where you can actually set your custom domain. If you for some reason cannot see this page over here, what you can do is on any page, you want to click on publish up here, and then you want to click on add a custom domain, and you're going to get directed to this very part of the website over here where you can put in your domain. So what you should then do is basically get a domain on GoDaddy. So the way you can do this is to go to godaddy.com and you want to type in the domain you want. So for example, let's do the name of this channel. Of course, first you have to create an account and log in, just like I'm logged in right now. And for me, I'm going to type the domain you want. You want to type in the domain you would like to get. So we're going to do instant how to, which is this channel's name, .com. There we go. And then you're going to do search domains. And you're going to see different options you have. There we go, it says exact match, and you can then make it yours by clicking over here, make it yours, when you find the one you're looking for. And then it's going to be added to your cart. Now you then want to go to cart and you basically want to select for how many years you want it, and you're going to see the price for it. And after that, you want to do continue to cart and you want to buy your domain. After you do this, you will have your domain inside GoDaddy, and you will first have to set up your CNAME and DNS record. There's a bunch of videos on the internet that show you how to exactly do this. So in case you don't know how to do it, you can watch those videos. But after you do that, after you set this, you basically want to just copy your domain, want to go to over here to webflow.io domain, and you want to set the new one. And after that, you will have to upgrade to the paid version of Webflow, I believe, for this to be available for you. And after you do it, you'll then basically have your GoDaddy domain connected with your Webflow website. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.